What are initial disclosures? Initial disclosures are a key step in U.S. civil litigation, required under the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, specifically Rule 26A1. In simple terms, they are the basic information that each party must share with the other side early in the case, without waiting for formal discovery requests. The goal is to promote transparency, reduce surprises, and make the discovery process more efficient. Before the adoption of this rule in the 1990s, parties often withheld information until it was formally requested, which led to delays, excessive costs, and trial by ambush. To fix this, the federal rules introduced mandatory initial disclosures so that both sides start with a fair understanding of the evidence and witnesses. So, what do initial disclosures include? Rule 26 requires each party to provide the names and contact information of individuals likely to have relevant information, along with a description of what they know. A copy, or at least a description, of all documents, electronic records, and tangible evidence the party may use to support its claims or defenses. A calculation of damages being claimed, along with the documents that support those calculations. Copies of insurance agreements that may be relevant for satisfying a judgment. An example. Imagine a personal injury lawsuit after a car accident. In the initial disclosures, the plaintiff would need to provide the names of eyewitnesses, copies of medical bills, and a calculation of lost wages. The defendant, in turn, might disclose the accident report, photos of the scene, and the details of their insurance coverage. It is important to note that not all cases require initial disclosures. Certain proceedings, like habeas corpus petitions, cases involving pro se prisoners, or actions to enforce arbitration awards, are exempt. Additionally, parties can agree, with the court's approval, to modify or waive initial disclosures. A curiosity is that while initial disclosures aim to save time and money, lawyers sometimes criticize them as unnecessary if the case is small or straightforward. Still, in more complex litigation, they serve as a valuable foundation for deeper discovery, ensuring that both sides know the big picture from the start. In short, initial disclosures are a procedural requirement that obligates parties to share key information early in the litigation process, balancing fairness, efficiency, and transparency in U.S. civil justice. Up above, I left you more videos so you can keep learning law. Don't forget to like and subscribe.